welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm here in the tree of life. Actually, it's over there. I will show you everything. Tree of life is a tree that with a history. It's lived for long years. It's about 400 years old. Tree of life. It's more than my age before I was born. Actually is in desert, and you know, in desert there is no water. Actually, this tree, it survived in the desert, so that's why it's a best place to visit, and it's a desert place, and most of the people, they come here to visit Tree of Life for the history. So I will show you everything about the Tree of Life. And this is, guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. See you over there, guys. This is the tree I was talking about. You can see tree. This is a tree that lives over 400 years before we were born, and it's in the desert, middle of the desert. See, it's 400 years old tree, a tree of history, a tree that where you can come and visit. Actually, it's called Tree of Life. When you visit this one, actually, if you visit this kind of tree, my life is full of tree. I can even kiss the tree. Oh, this is quite interesting. It's like a holy place. See, can you just imagine a tree that lives? See, hello, hi there. Hello, madam. Excuse me.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
What is your experience about this kind of tree? Like
This
what
is
do you
400
feel
years old tree.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
More than that, more than for us, the tree is more experienced.
So guys, this is what I'm talking about. This tree is in the middle of the desert, and actually there is no water supply over here, and it survived so many years over here, as you can see it. See? Oh my god, this is where we get the blessing. And where you can just sit and listen. See? Oh my god, I will kiss the tree. Allah, this is the tree actually that you can't even kiss. See, this is the tree. The tree is here. This is the tree. Where you sit for the blessings. Tree of Life. Once you visit here, you got a blessings. You can live many years. It's called Tree of Life because when you visit, even you can have more life to live. Tree of Life. It's located in Rufa, Bahrain. Most visited place, most tourist place. You can see Tree of Life. Tree of Life. This is what I'm talking about. If I say 400 years, it doesn't mean a joke. It's something unique. Like I have to come here in order for me to. Oh my God! Tree of Life. Oh.